Hello, Kosovo. Greetings and love from me to all Kosovo. My name is Muhammad Ali Qazi. I'm from Pakistan and I'm a Muslim by religion. But today, as a human being, I address the people all over the world. My message today is for every person who wants to make some effort to bring peace in the world. I know that the people of Kosovo like to speak to it and like to listen to it like the people of other countries. And I also know that the people of Kosovo have sacrificed a lot to bring peace in the world, like the people of Pakistan and like the people of other countries. That is why today I'm asking to all Kosovo to join me so that we can separate peace in the world.
I want to make this world a beautiful paradise, just as we all have a beautiful paradise in our thoughts and beliefs. I have conveyed the same message of peace to every country of the world one by one, taking the name of each one well and conveying the message to them that you should join me to spread peace so that we can make this world a beautiful paradise as soon as possible. My message is for every person who wants to make some effort to bring peace in the world. The first step we take together for peace will set an example for the world. My message is for elders who in their youth could not do anything to bring peace in the world under any compulsion. My message is for young people who want to see themselves and their elders and their youngers and their future generations happy. Yes, come with us. We are doing some good thing to bring peace in the world. Well, I think, are you a president or a prime minister? Are you a chief justice or an army chief? Are you a king or a minister? Are you a social worker or a religious leader? Are you an army or a police officer? Are you a teacher or a student? Are you a politician or a historian? Are you a scientist or a lawyer? Are you a sportsman or a journalist? Are you an actor or an artist or a singer? Are you an analyst or a poet or intellectual or writer? Are you a wrestler or a fighter? Are you a hero or a villain? Are you a doctor or an engineer? Are you a mechanic or a tailor? Are you a cobbler or a barber? Are you a butcher or a confectioner? Are you a trader or a farmer? Are you a government employee or a private employee? I believe that if you have never done anything to bring peace in the world in your life and your life is incomplete. That is why I am begging you all for peace today. I want people from all over the world, people of all cultures, people of all religions, people of all colors, people of all languages, people of all professions, people of all country to join me to spreading peace so that we can make this world a beautiful paradise as soon as possible. When I was a child, watching an animal eating another animal on a TV channel was not much of a surprise, but now it is scary. That's why I want to put an end on hatred because I don't want human to start eating each other like animals and have a bad effect on our future generations. I don't want to tell to my children and my future generation the stories of world's first and second war. I don't want to predict the third world war to my future generation. I don't want to leave hateful lessons in their books for my future generations. I want to leave lot of loving and sacrificial lessons in their book for my future generation. I wish our children would start their education by saying that there was a group among their ancestors in which people of every color, people of every culture, people of every language, people of every religion, people of every profession, and people of every country used to unite on the issue of peace. I'm a peace loving person, and I wish there is no shortage of peace loving people in the world. There are many people who want to see peace in the world and they are working for peace, but the way to bring peace in the world is not going as fast as it should. I want to make this world a beautiful paradise of happiness and love and peace before I go to the moon, Mars, and other planet. I'm happier to win the hearts of the people of other countries than to occupy other countries. I want games to be played just for fun. I want a citizen of any country to travel another country as if he or she were treated with respect at home in their hometown. I know you do know very well that terrorism is the work of cowards, and speaking of peace is real bravery, and I know that there are many brave people in the world who are involved in this peace program. I have no fear of saying that a terrorist has no affiliation with any religion. A terrorist is not even a human being. I want to spread this message of peace in every university, in every college, in every school, in every park, in every hospital, in every shopping mall, in every metro station, in every railway station, in every airport of the world. And I know all of you will support me in this program of peace. One thing I do not understand is that when we have the path of love and peace, then why we are moving away from each other in hatred. I finally ask all of you to forget their hatred, and yes, we can live together in love and peace. At the end of my first message of peace as a human being, I once again urge the people of Afghanistan, people of Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Angola, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, the Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belarus, Belgium, Belize, Benin, Bhutan, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria, Burkina Faso, Cape Verde, Cambodia, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Chile, China, Comoros, Congo Democratic, Congo Republic, Costa Rica, Cote d'Ivoire, Croatia, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Djibouti, Dominica, Dominican Republic, East Timor and Timor-Leste, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Estonia, Ethiopia, Finland, Fiji, France, Gabon, Gambia, Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greek, Grenada, Guatemala, Guyana, Guinea-Bissau, Gamibia, Gambia, Haiti, Honduras, Hong Kong, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Iraq, Iran, Indonesia, India, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Kenya, Kiribati, Kosovo, Kuwait, Korea North and Korea South, Laos, Latvia, Lesotho, Lebanon, Liberia, Libya, Lithuania, Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, Madagascar, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mali, Malta, Marshall Island, Mauritania, Morocco, Mozambique, Myanmar, Namibia, Nauru, Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Norway, North Macedonia, Oman, Pakistan, Palau, Panama, Palestine, Peru, Paraguay, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Russia, Rwanda, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Samoa, San Marino, Sao Tome and Principe, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Senegal, South Africa, Sweden, Syria, Spain, Switzerland, and Tajikistan, Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Tonga, Trinidad and Tobago, Turkmenistan, Turkey, Tuvalu, Uganda, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United States, United Kingdom, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu, Venezuela, Vietnam, Vatican City, Yemen, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and every citizen of every country of the world to end their hatred and take the path of love and peace, which is better for all of us. I wish there next year, 2022, there will not be any such unfortunate incident in any country which would be a source of shame for all humanity. Let us all come together and make 2022 the year of peace. Pupils who want to join me in this mission of peace, send me your suggestions, your video with your name and your country name. I will keep telling you through videos from my YouTube channel what steps we have to take to bring peace in the world. Thank you.